And being in an asset where your fiat is debasing 8 to 14% per year, being in something that doesn't debase hardly at all. And in fact, if you take into account the amount of Bitcoin being lost every year, you could assume the inflation is actually 0%. Now, let's compare one other chart, stock to flow, because plan B was mentioned earlier. Another thing I found very interesting, again from Incrementum, if you look at the gold stock to flow, all right, it is 50 years. What that means is it takes exactly 50 years for the gold supply to be replenished. And it's been at the stock to flow of approximately between 50 and 75 for 130 years. But now it's flattening because as the mining technology gets better, they can dig a little bit deeper and get more gold. They can maybe pull it off asteroids in a few years, and then the price of gold will completely plummet. But the point is, the stock to flow for gold has been 50 years for 130 years. Again, the Bitcoin is now 120. It would take 120 years for the supply to be replenished, although it can never be replenished because there'll only ever be 21 million, of which 5 million are lost. So forget that. But the point is, Bitcoin is becoming really hard, really fast. Bitcoin has gone from a stock to flow of, I think it was 2 years to 120 years in just 14 years. And it's about to get a lot harder. In the next halving cycle, it will shoot to north of 260, 280.